Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Company. It's Wednesday, October 31st. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. You had mixed trade. You did bounce off some support levels. You were a bit weaker here to start it off for grain markets. Wheat market actually down 9 at one point, only down about a penny to 2 on the close. So you're able to see it rebound off that. That was following soybeans. So about an hour and a half, 2 hours after trade opened up, for some reason, soybeans wanted to give a little bit of a bounce here after being down 1 to 2, ended up closing up 5.5 cents. Still kind of searching for a reason why you saw that bounce. When it looked at the bean market, could be just seeing some buyers come in here off one support level. You did get a negative close yesterday, stayed below that close here today, but still positive. But you could be seeing some people want to bite off on that first level of support. Next level of support is around the 810 area off November futures. And then the corn market, you could see that rebound here in soybeans and wheat market, but you didn't really get that in corn. Down a penny and a half on the day, but not much off of its lows. So very little movement here. We have export sales tomorrow. That's going to be the driving force. We've had 2 weeks of poor export sales. Eyes will be watching those numbers very, very carefully, especially for the fact that soybeans and wheat are well behind pace. Over the meat markets, mixed trade there, live cattle mixed, feeders up strong here, about $1.50 up, and then lean hogs finding a little bit of pressure. So feeder cattle found some support, down market up 400 points. Consumer confidence is very, very high right now, and that is very good for beef prices. So when you have that come up, that is supportive towards that market. So that's where you found that support there. Mixed trade done live cattle, probably waiting to see where you come. Cash trade was strong towards the end last week, and you're thinking it could be this week. And the futures market will have to follow that, but for now, finding some technical sell pressure, not being able to get up moving too much. Lean hogs found resistance for the second day around that $59 to $60 mark, and that's where you kind of faded off of that. Cash trade is inching a little bit higher, but still there's some concerns that demand won't show up with China just sticking with the trade difficulties and tariffs that we have in place. And like I said, outside markets, big swings once again with that US Dow up over 400 points. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trade in futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. Have a great day.